everyone, it's Miss Eastwood here, and as you can see, I'm on the Library Media Remote Learning page. So for this week, I want you to go into your grade level. So you'll see my mouse is on grade 3, scroll down to week 4, and you'll see week 4 instructions, which is where this video is going to go right here. And if you scroll down, the first thing I want you to do is click on this box that says click to play. And what we're working on this week is something called found poems. So found poetry is a very simple definition. It's just like it sounds. You're using words that you have found from, sometimes it's a book, sometimes it's a play, it could be a music, a favorite song, right? In this case, you're going to use words from a word bank in this online magnet poetry kit that I have for you. So you'll see that on the screen. You're now on Nature Magnetic Poetry Kit. And if you look to the right of your screen, you'll see tons of different words that you could use to make a poem. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull out words that I think might be interesting. So I'm going to say, ooh, bird. Let's see, summer, spirit, and let's do bees, okay? And I'm not really sure if I want to use any of those other words, so I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to say more words, and it's going to refresh the word page. And now I can see, I have the word bird, so maybe above, bird above. I like the word sweet. Probably going to talk about our world because it's a nature poem, and spring because that is the season we're in. Okay, so I'm done here. I'm going to go to more words, and you can do this a few times, and you'll notice if I keep clicking, it will eventually bring me back to the beginning, and you can see where I've pulled out a couple of words. There's a blank spot here and a blank spot here. So I've been through this before. So that's great because if you miss a word and you're like, oh man, I really wish I grabbed that one, you can refresh at the bottom and get back to those. Okay, so I would arrange my poem in, let's say maybe you would arrange them however you'd like. Okay, I have an example that I've made for you already, so I will share that with you. But any ones that you don't want, you can kind of just drag to the side, right? And then when you think you're done with your poem, here, I'll move my little face. There's this red button in the bottom that says save and share. And this is where it's going to let you make a title. So maybe I'll title mine Springtime. And then below that, it says the author. So I'm going to write Miss Eastwood. And there's a couple of ways to share it with me. Okay, so if you want, see how all of the email addresses say optional? If you want to share it with me that way, you can type in my email address, which is j_eastwood@sau9.org. Okay, and that will share it with me. There it is. Okay. If you don't want to share it that way, you can also just go ahead and write the title and your name, click done, so it'll show up top left-hand corner, Springtime by Miss Eastwood, and then you can use this fancy keyboard trick, which is called a screenshot. So what that does is it takes a picture of your screen. So if you hit the control button on your keyboard, the one near the space bar that says the letters C, T, R, and L, if you push that one, and the button above the number 6. So it looks like kind of like a rectangle with 2 lines beside it, right above the number 6. If you hit that button and the control button at the same time, you'll see in my bottom right-hand corner a screenshot popped up. So if I click on this now, it'll be in my downloads. Okay, so you could also add this to an email and send it to me, or upload it to your Google Classroom. Okay? So I just gave you guys this activity as a fun way to celebrate National Poetry Month. You can make any kind of poem that you would like, any kind of found poem through this word bank. And if you feel like drawing a picture to go with it, you can. But yeah, I can't wait to listen to your poems, read through your poems, and see what you guys come up with. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and reach out with any questions. All right, have a great day. Bye.